Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Steep on PC with a controller. First, connect your game controller to your personal computer. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or pair it via Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Make sure your computer's operating system successfully detects the controller. It's also a good idea to check that your controller's drivers are the most current version, ensuring 100% compatibility and smooth operation within the game. Once your controller is connected, launch Steep and head straight into the game's options menu. Look for the Controls or Key Bindings section, which is usually found under the main settings. Here, you should see an option to select your input device. Choose your connected controller from the list to ensure the game recognizes it as your primary way to play. This step is crucial for the game to respond to your controller inputs. After selecting your controller, you can customize its layout to suit your playstyle. Within the Controls menu, you'll often find options to remap actions like jumping, grinding, or grabbing to different buttons. You can also fine-tune sensitivity settings for camera control and steering, which can significantly impact your precision. Remember to save your custom control profile once you are satisfied, so your preferred setup is ready every time you play. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting both your personal computer and Steep. This often resolves minor detection problems. Next, check for any background applications that might be interfering with your controller's input. Finally, if problems persist, consider updating your controller's firmware or your PC's universal serial bus drivers. These steps can resolve many common issues, getting you back to the slopes in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.